Hello guys, welcome back. So do you want to keep your real name under wraps on Cash App in 2025? Or whether it's for privacy or just for cooler vibe, I've got the steps to hide your identity. So first, fire up the Cash App on your phone, doesn't matter which platform. Tap your profile icon, top right corner on the home screen. This pulls up your settings. Scroll to personal under your current name or hashtag. That's where we're tweaking things. You'll see your display name and other details. We're focusing on that hashtag next. So step 2, swap out your name for a hashtag alias. Tap the hashtag field, it's your unique handle, like for example cooluser123. Type a new one, anything but your real name, maybe ShadowPay or Mystery Vibes. Hit set to save it. Heads up, you only get 2 chances ever, so pick something you love. This is what folks see when you send or get cash, not your legal name. Now, tweak your display name too. Back in personal, tap your full name. It's what shows up in transactions. Swap it for a nickname or fake name like Alex Z instead of Alexander Zephyr, for example. Save it, and boom, your real name's hidden. And step 4, make sure it's working. Send a buck to your friend or to yourself via another account and check what they see. And that's it. That's how you hide your name. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. So have fun, enjoy sending money, like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.